Hello, welcome to a new vlog. This is a travel vlog as you have seen in the intro. This is Shalda station and from here by train we are going to my grandparents' home. Yay, a travel vlog, yay! Okay. This is a regular day at Shalda station. Want to hear the noise? Here we go. I'm really happy to be able to vlog outside because this is absolutely out of my comfort zone and I am learning a new thing, and this is a good step forward to increase our social strength, right? As an introvert I can say that. Say hello to my Dida. So I got there, and as all Indian grandparents do, and my sweet Dida too, they started feeding me various things. This is a weed that grew out of nowhere, and my uncle was showing me this and told me to record it for the vlog. Wow. Let us meet Mithu, our parrot. But personally I don't really like to cage birds, but here she is, always mad at me. Is our another member, a cat. I don't know if there is any specific name for her, but hey, let's meet her. She is not mad at me, she is polite. There are so many dogs outside our home, like them. I'm not really sure if this dog had any sort of disease, but it looked like that. But by the way, there are some dogs. And look at the flowers. Comment down below, what do you think? Am I a cat person or a dog person? Hey, there is flowers on our terrace. I love flowers. Basically the white flowers. I like white flowers a lot. Nature. Oh. Hello. How are all doing? Oh. Look at that. Wow. Hi kitty, hi kitty. Hello. Oh. Parkour. Hello. Bye bye. Have a great day. Bye bye. She's gone to enjoy her life. The birds are flying. Everything is nice. This is the evening snack I am getting. By the way, stay tuned for the later part here. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. This is nothing regarding to what I was trying to record. They were all barking at the highest note they could, and I got there and started barking all of a sudden, and they were like all silent in a second, in a split of second. I felt like really the boss here. A new nail polish, but I don't like the color. Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section below. By the way, this is it for the vlog, and I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.